Children, welcome to the online computer class. Today I am going to discuss with you the computer science paper subjective term 2 assessment 2, which was held on 19th of October. Children, you had got two parts and two skills were tested: comprehension and analysis and application. Let us start. The first question which was given, it was write the formula of the following program. So as you know, in this question it was asked to write the formula. So let us see which formula we have to write. Here the question is int num is equal to 0, f is equal to 0. Enter any 3-digit number. Suppose the 3-digit number is 200 here. Now what you have to do, now see in num. So here we have given 200 on this line. Now see out, let's find the first digit of the given number. So what we had to find? We had to find the first digit, means we had to extract the number 2 from this 3-digit number. Now, so what formula will come? So the formula will come f. Why f? Because it is already defined in the declaration line. Many of you have written fd, which is wrong, because whatever you define in the declaration line, that variable will be used in the formula. So f is equal to, then num. Where is this 200 is stored? 200 is stored in num variable. So we will write num, or then we will put the slash division sign, and because it is on the place of hundreds, I have told you that when we extract the value, we will see where the number is placed. So it will be 100 and then semicolon. Now your answer is stored in f variable. So see out, the first digit is equal to cascading bracket and the variable f will be printed. So this is the answer, f n num by 100. The first digit is f. This is the output for this program. Now we'll move to the next. Here, let me erase this. Now, second question is, choose the correct option for the given expression and explain why. X is equal to pow y comma 2. So what it will calculate? It will calculate cube, it will calculate square, or it will give error. So as you see, this formula is already correct. So there will be no error. So this option is wrong. Here it says 2. So 2 means we are going to find the square. So this formula will calculate the square. So this is the answer. Option B. It will calculate square because power is raised by 2 times. Next. Here, question 3. It was so easy, but most of the children have done wrong. int a. In the variable a, 20 is stored, and variable x, 0 is stored. And when you see the formula, it says x is equal to a modulus 10. And it is very clear that when we use modulus function, modulus means we are calculating the remainder of the number. So what will be the value of x? Simply 20. When you divide 20 by 10, because it is written modulus 10, so quotient will come 2 and the remainder will come what? Remainder will come 0. So the answer is 0. The value of x is equal to 0, because this will calculate modulus of a. Now question number 4. How will you find whether a number is represented in decimal, binary, octal or hexadecimal system? Simply with its base or radix. If the decimal number base is 10, then if any number's base is 10, then it will be a decimal number. If the base is 2, then it will be binary. Same, if the base is 8, then it will be octal number. And if the number is base is 16, then the number will be, you will find that number is representing hexadecimal. Let's see. If the number is written this 100, okay, so how do you come to know whether this number is representing binary number, decimal number, octal number or hexadecimal number? I can read it like this 100. If I read 100, then it will represent that it is a binary. But other person is reading as 100, so it will shows that it is a decimal number. But if the number has got the base, if it is written like this, then it is very easy that it is a binary. This number is representing binary number. Then we will read 100. If the same number has got the base as 10, then we will very easily come to know that it is a 100 and it represents the decimal number. Same way we can find octal and hexadecimal also. So here base or radix help us to identify the number. Now next, choose the correct output of the following program. So simply it was a very easy program of finding the average and sum of the given number. So here you can see it is written float. The declaration, in the declaration line, the data is defined into the float data type. So A is equal to 15, B is equal to 12, C is equal to 10. Then we had to find sum and average. So find the sum and average of 3 subjects. So sum here, it will add the number 15, 12 and 10. So this will become 37. And average is, the formula of average is equal to sum by 3. So simply 37 divide by 3. So the answer will come as 12.33. Why? Because the data type is float. So it will calculate in decimal points. The answer will be represented in the decimal points. If here you will take int, then the answer will come like this. The whole value or the number will come in whole as a 12. So the correct answer is here this A. Now children, let us discuss part 2, skill application. Here the question was write a program to input 2-digit number. So what you had to enter? 2-digit number and find its last digit. So whatever the number you will take, from that you have to extract the last digit and find its cube. Cube of which? Of the last digit using power function. So 4 parts were there. So now let us see how we'll do that. Yes, now you can see we have to write the structure of the program because we are using here power function. So we need to use math file. This is must to write. Okay, whenever you are using any function, you need to include the one extra file, that is math.h. Then coming to the structure, now here you can write int a is equal to 0. A is a where you store 2-digit number. Then you have to find the last digit. So here you can take any variable. Here I have taken LD for the last digit. So you can take this to store the last digit, and then you have to find the cube. So for storing the cube's value, you have to take the third variable, that is cube. Now enter, now you ask with the user, enter any 2-digit number. So enter, as soon you will come on this line, user will enter any 2-digit number. Suppose I am entering 25. Now we will calculate the last digit. So we need to find out the last digit. So what I need to extract? I need to extract 25. So LD, the formula to find the last digit, we use modulus function. So LD is equal to A modulus 10, because it is on the tens place, ones place, but we have to find the remainder. So we will write 10 over here. So if you do the calculation, you have to divide the 25 by 10. So when you divide this number, it will go 2 times and the remainder will come 5. So now the last digit is extracted. So with this formula you can extract the last digit. Now you are printing the last digit here, and now you have to find the cube of this number. So cube pow, and where this 5 is stored, this 5 is stored in this LD. So we will write cube is equal to pow and then LD comma 3. 3 represents the cube, means you are multiplying the number 3 times. 5 into 5 into 5, right? So this way you calculate the cube of this LD. Now see out, cube of the last digit is equal to cube, get CH. So this is the program which you had to write. Now let us move to the next part. Here, convert the following decimal number into binary number. So it was also very easy. You have to divide this number from the 2. 2 is the binary, base 2. So 2, 25, it goes 12 times, then remainder will come 1. Then again you will divide the 12 by 2. The remainder will come 0 and it will go 6 times. Then again 2, it will go 3 times and the remainder will come 0. Here again 2, you multiply 3, divide 3 by 2. So again remainder will come 1. Now this number is less than this 2. So we will stop dividing and then we will write the answer. So answer you will write this way, from down to up. So this way you will get the answer 11001. So 25 decimal number is equivalent to 11001 and then base 2. Next question. Here here we will see, convert the following binary number into decimal number. So the number is 11101. So we will put the power of it. So we'll start with the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we will multiply this number with the base. The base number is 2. So 1 into 2 and power 0, 0 into 2 power 1 plus 1 into 2 power 2. We will always write the number from right to left. Right to left. So first we will take this value here, and then 1 into 2 power 3, 1 into 2 power 4, and then when we multiply 1 into 2 power 0, that will come 1, and then when you multiply any number with 0, it will come as a 0 only. And this way the 2 into 2, here 1 into 2, 2, 2 into power 4, here 2 multiplied 3 times, then it will come 3 power of 2 power of 3 is 8, and then again this will be 16. This way when you add the number, the answer will come 29. So 11101 is equivalent to 29 and the base 10. This is must to write. Okay, so this is the solution for this paper. I hope all of you understand, children, and you know where you have made any mistake. Thank you, children.